Welcome to the evolution of Windows. In this video, we'll take a journey through time to explore the development and progression of one of the most iconic operating systems in computing history.
Windows 1.0, 1985. Our journey begins in 1985 with the release of Windows 1.0. It introduced a graphical user interface, GUI, to IBM-compatible PCs featuring tiled windows and mouse support. However, it was limited in functionality compared to modern versions. 2. Windows 2.0, 1987. 2 years later, Windows 2.0 was released, improving upon its predecessor with enhanced graphics and support for more applications. It also introduced the control panel and expanded memory support. 3. Windows 3.0, 1990. Windows 3.0 marked a significant milestone with its improved performance, better graphics, and support for virtual memory. It also introduced Program Manager and File Manager, making multitasking easier for users. 4. Windows 95, 1995. A major leap forward, Windows 95 brought about a revolutionary change with its Start menu, taskbar, and plug-and-play functionality. It also introduced the iconic Windows logo and Internet Explorer. 5. Windows 98, 1998. Building upon the success of Windows 95, Windows 98 introduced enhancements like improved USB support, better system performance, and the inclusion of Internet Explorer 4.0. 6. Windows XP, 2001. Widely regarded as one of the most successful versions of Windows, Windows XP brought stability, security, and a more modern interface. It introduced features like System Restore and Remote Assistance. 7. Windows Vista, 2007. Windows Vista aimed to improve security and enhance the user experience with features like Arrow Glass, Windows Sidebar, and Windows Search. However, it faced criticism for its performance issues and compatibility problems. 8. Windows 7, 2009. Considered a return to form, Windows 7 addressed many of the criticisms of Vista while introducing new features like the revamped taskbar, Arrow Snap, and improved networking capabilities. 9. Windows 8, 2012. Windows 8 introduced a radical departure from previous versions with its touch-centric interface and app store. It aimed to bridge the gap between PCs and tablets, but faced criticism for its usability issues. 10. Windows 10, 2015. The latest iteration of Windows, Windows 10, brings back the familiar Start menu while incorporating modern features like Cortana, Microsoft Edge, and virtual desktops. It also introduced the concept of Windows as a service with regular updates. Conclusion, and there you have it, the evolution of Windows from its humble beginnings to the modern era. With each iteration, Windows has evolved to meet the changing needs of users, shaping the way we interact with computers and the digital world.